I believe that the future for robots and automation looks very promising. With the technology we have today, the usability of robots is huge. But we as FANUC, and I guess also the other robot manufacturers, we are constantly monitoring the market and the future needs and developing new technologies and new features. ELMIA is for sure one of the biggest exhibitions among our field in the Northern Europe. So for us it's very important to be here and have a great display of products and technology. We are a quite unique company because we have such a wide range of products. But the common denominator is the CNC and servo motor technology, which also connect all the products together. If you're going to manufacture a mobile phone or even a car, you need both metal parts, you need plastic parts, and we have the machines to do the metal parts, or the CNC you find in another machine brand. For the plastic part, we have the injection molding machines, or even in the mold production, you find our machines or our CNC. So transmitting all of this is very difficult to transmit it direct to the customer. But being here and have such a great display of products, then we can transmit it to the customer. So that's why it's important to be here. What we are seeing now, 2018, is the collaborative robots, which are really entering the market. And by that, it's opened up new business and new applications. And we consider when a robot gets smarter or has a new function, there are always new business fields opening. So that's why I think that it will take many, many years before we hit the ceiling of automation industry because of that, because it's always new business fields added to the business.